research strength of the Sansom Institute for Health Research at the University of South Australia is in neuroscience and mental health. Our neuroscientists are researching the mechanisms of chronic pain and how to relieve chronic pain with non-pharmacological methods, while our mental health researchers are tackling the difficult areas of suicide prevention and substance use.
We work very closely with people who've experienced mental distress, people of refugee and asylum seeker background. We've also been working very closely with community mental health services in the redesign of discharge practices.
We're working on a large body of research at the moment which is really looking at how we can better educate health professionals to respond to people at risk of suicide. So we've been working on projects that look at how we can design, develop, deliver and then evaluate training programs to health professionals. And what we're really interested in looking at is how we can improve their knowledge, their attitudes and their confidence when working with people at risk of suicide.
The collaborations that we have with government, non-government and community sectors are really built around trying to address problems of living for people with mental illness and mental distress. And we do that through a multidisciplinary approach. Psychiatry, psychology, law, nursing, occupational therapy and health sciences come together to be able to address those issues in a practical, evidence-based way.
Our bold vision is to reduce chronic pain. We're really interested in neuroplasticity and how we can harness this effect. I mean, chronic pain is all about learning within the nervous system, and we're really interested in how we can help people to unlearn.
I study people with chronic pain, so I try to understand a bit better what might be going on in them, what impairments might be there that we've never understood before, and then better try to target those impairments with treatment. I'm doing some what I think is really cool stuff with illusions at the moment, and that's tricking the brain. Playing with your senses and making you feel things that aren't actually happening. But it's a really cool way to study then what's going on in people's brains with chronic pain. And what I've found is that when we alter how the body part looks to someone in pain, it's analgesic. And we don't understand why, but that's what my research is really focusing on.
Pain is a truly biopsychosocial phenomenon, and to understand it we need people working with different skill sets, and often we have to go internationally. We're really lucky to be working with some of the really outstanding scientists around the world on this.
Last year I won the South Australia Young Tall Poppy of the Year award, and that was really fantastic because it was being recognised for engaging with the public and communicating my science to the wider audience. And I think that's really where, as scientists, we can make a difference by getting that information out there.